Alright, in these problems we're tasked to find the missing length of sides of similar triangles. So here we can see that this triangle is similar to this triangle, and we're looking for the total length, which will be this side plus this side. So I don't know what this side is. I'm going to go ahead and call it x. But we do know that whatever this is, it's going to be 6 plus x. So let's let our job be to find out what x is in this case. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a proportion just like we did in our last problems. So let's take this triangle right here and let us set up a proportion. I'll say that 8 over 6. And now that's going to be equal to, in this triangle, and I have to set up the corresponding parts, and this is where it gets tricky. Notice that 6 over here is the side that's directly across or opposite of this angle, while directly opposite of this would be x. So the x goes where the 6 is, and the 4 goes where the 8 is. Now I'm set up in a situation where I can cross multiply. 8x would be equal to 24. Divide both sides by 8, and I find that my side that I didn't know was 3. Now I have to be careful on this because the thing that it asked for is this entire side. Well, I now know that x is 3, and so if this part is 6 and this part is 3, our question mark length will be 6 plus 3, or 9 units long. Alright, same idea in a different problem. Over here we have these two similar triangles. We have the smaller one is similar to this larger one, and what we're going to do is find that missing side length. So the way we would do this is we set up our proportion again. I'll take this smaller triangle and I'll say 6 over 9 equals, well, the 6 is the one that is opposite of this angle. Opposite of this angle we have the question mark, so that's my unknown, that's my variable. And then the 21 was the side adjacent to that. So we'll end up with that right there. Now it's just a matter of cross multiplying. So I find that 9x equals 6 times 21, which is 126. Divide both sides by 9, and x is going to be equal to 14. And so now we've solved the problem.